So one of the biggest tackles with any time I'm sewing is staying organized. And I'm working really hard to stay more organized because it helps me. When I start losing things all the time, that's when I know I'm getting unorganized. I want to stop for just a second and say that it always surprises me the number of you who watch my videos. Only a small fraction of you actually subscribe. Could you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button? That way you'll see more of my videos. It will help other people see the videos. And if you like the videos that you're watching, please click the like button. All right, back to the video. I discovered something that I've been using this year that I really, really love, and that is these are very simple. They are project boxes, and I got these from Amazon. So you can see it has the nice clips. It opens up, it's all just one big pocket so that I can put a project in there. And what I love about these, number one, is that it has a handle. I love that. I love being able to pull these out, because what I'm going to do is I have several of these, and I'll show you. I have several of these, and I'm going to put them up on end in a larger tote bin, because I need to be able to put things away for when I'm down here. Let me get this. So here we go. And so I can pull up any one of these to work on. So here's how I like to use my bins. My boxes, I should call them boxes. So I like that they're different colors just because colors make us happy. We're quilters. And I have a couple empty ones right now that are going to get some projects in them. But here's how I use it. Every little small project that I have, I will put in a bin, because I'll go through and I have like a pile of things. You know, I have things coming in that I've ordered and different projects. And let's say I have a project and I'm waiting for the right color zipper to come in or for me to go get. And then what I'll do is I will put that, I can't work on it right now, I will put it in a bin. I will put a piece of paper inside that says what I'm waiting for. And I actually use cereal boxes. I just cut them up and write on them and put them in. So I look for the little square of here's one. Look for the little square of cereal box in there that tells me what I'm missing. And so this one says that I'm waiting for an invisible zipper because I want to make, this is going to be a pink gingham pillow I want to make. And so everything stays in there, and then I can put it right down into the bin. It has been wonderful. I mean, yes, I can have a lot of things. In bags, which I've done before, the structure of having a hard case bin was better for me, because I end up with a lot of bags of things. But this way, if I have only the projects that are ready to get started or are close to get started, I've already decided what the project's going to be. I put it in the bin. I can pick it up right away and say, okay, this one is waiting for the zipper. I can put that one back down into the tote, and I can pull up the next one. That's really important for me, because when I am sewing, sometimes I don't have a lot of times to sew. In fact, I gotta watch my time right now. Okay, I don't have a lot of time to sew. I'll sew, you know, throughout the day here and there. Sometimes I have a lot of time. Sometimes I don't. I want to be able to walk in, and either if I'm not currently working on something, I want to be able to grab exactly what it is I'm working on next. The reason this became important is because when I'm in my small sewing room, and I have to, in order to work on my computer, which I do for half the day, I have to put away my sewing things and pull out my computer. This is my work spot for everything. And that way I have to put things away. I can't just come back in and sit down and continue working on the project I was working on. So this kit helps me, like, okay, it's time to put this project away. I'll put it in the bin. I will move the bins back into their big tote, and then in order, and then tomorrow I'll be able to, when I've got a few minutes to sew, I'll be able to pick out exactly the one I was working on next and get that back out again. So I like it because they're small. I don't want to have tons of things in here. I want to have just enough to pull out and work on my medium size 6-foot folding table. It might even be 5 foot. I just need a little bit to work on at a time. So this works out really well for me. So check these out on Amazon. That's where I got them if you're interested. They're just fabulous, and they've really solved a big problem for me.